Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So you can get up to $2,300 free ad credit from TikTok. Let me show you how inside this video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's talk about how to claim your free ad credit from TikTok. So I'm sure you may have seen ads like this on your Facebook, TikTok for Business. They're giving away $300 for just signing up, and also then they're matching up to $2,000 in TikTok ads. Now, how do you create your ad account? How do you sign up? How do you claim these credits? Let's talk about that. So a couple of ways. The first thing is, if you do see an ad like this, you can just click and open that ad. I'm going to open that in a separate window. I already applied, so I'm going to open in the incognito window. So you're going to see something like this: TikTok for Business. It's back to business program. And actually, if you want to learn more, here's more details. Yeah, it's real. So up to $300 or $300 one-time ad credit that you can use by December 31st, 2020. And then they're also matching one-on-one up to $2,000 ad spend. So you can click on get credit and then fill out the form. Another way to do this is, let's say if you don't see that ad, because I clicked on the ad to open this link, but what if you don't see that ad in your Facebook Ads Manager? So what you can do is, let's go to tiktok.com/business right here, and it's the same process. So tiktok.com/business, click on get started, and then you're basically gonna fill out this form, United States, business. So here's interesting thing. If you select individual, from my experience, they're gonna put you in a queue, in a waiting queue. So make sure you select business from here. Hit next, and then you will see again the confirmation TikTok for Business is working with you. And then you have basically the whole program is $100 million for small, medium businesses. Why not get a small piece of that? So click on this, complete your account information, and get your $300 right now. So click on that, and then basically you're going to sign up. So put your email, create your password, and then they're going to send you a verification code to do that. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. But you basically just fill out this information. And then, let me go back here. What this will do is, it's going to create your account, just like how you have Facebook ad account or Instagram account or maybe like Twitter ad account. This is going to create your TikTok ads account. And then you might get an email from them, which is going to look something like this. So once I created an account, they sent me an email, a reminder, get back to business with $2,300 USD worth fees and ad credit from TikTok. You will click on claim your ad credit, and now it's going to log directly into my ad account. So this is my ad account on TikTok, ads.tiktok.com. So what's the information that they need for you to be able to fill out or claim your credit? So I'm going to click on the this icon right here, and then the account info, and then we are going to click on basic information, and this is everything they're going to need. It's very, very simple, guys, so do not miss out. So here's my business information, my business name, website, just basic information, and primary contact, that's me right here. And then for verification, they just need a couple of different things. So I'm going to click on learn more, and let me show you what they need. So here's your business verification ID. So in my case, I gave them my the EIN number because my business is based in the United States, business name, phone number, name of legal representative, and more documentation. So if you have a documentation like this, verification ID, legal rep, company phone number, text notice, VAT, business license, that's what you need to complete your application. And the review process will take 1 to 3 days, and then you can check your status. So very, very simple process. and basically click, if you have an ad, click on the ad and go fill out the form. If not, go to tiktok.com/business and fill out that information, and then you can just kind of enter your business information inside your ads account under the basic information and apply for that verification. Get that $300 one time, and then they're gonna match up to $2,000 of your ad spend. Free money. Go claim it right now. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.